Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can cancel a Google Meet event that you've scheduled. So the first thing that you will have to do once you're on your Google Meet, just go ahead and click this button right here, which is Google Apps. So what you will have to do is you will look for calendar and then just go ahead and click that as well and wait for it to load. So if you've already scheduled your Google Meet event, what you will have to do and what you will see basically, uh, you will see you will see it here. So once you see the Meet event that you've scheduled, is you will just have to click on that event that you want to cancel, and then you will click delete or remove, and then you will choose send to notify participants that the meeting is canceled. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.